Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by plugging the transmitter into the car's 12V socket or USB port so it can get steady power. This avoids audio dropouts. Once powered, switch the transmitter to pairing mode, usually a blinking LED, and make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on so the devices can see each other. While that pairs, turn the car radio to the transmitter's FM frequency or select the AUX input. This step links audio path and prevents static. Now you're ready to establish the connection. You tap the transmitter name on your phone and accept any PIN prompts because this authenticates the connection. Once paired, your phone will route media audio over Bluetooth. Then you tune the car radio to the exact FM frequency broadcast by the transmitter. If interference occurs, shift a small step and rescan until static drops. Make sure your phone's media volume is near max so the transmitter sends a strong signal, and then fine-tune the car's volume for comfortable listening without distortion. You play a test track to confirm clear audio, and if it sounds thin, adjust your phone's equalizer because Bluetooth transmitters often compress highs and lows. Once done, make sure the transmitter stays powered and the radio stays on the selected frequency. Intermittent audio usually means frequency clash or low transmitter battery. If nothing plays, unpair and pair again, or power cycle the transmitter. This clears handshake errors. For stubborn problems, clear your phone's Bluetooth cache or try a different frequency to
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.